Are you tired of struggling with laundry day? Look no further. In this video, we'll dive into the best LG washers and dryers of 2024. From high-efficiency models to smart features, we've got you covered. Let's find the perfect laundry solution for your home. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. LG Electronics WM4000 HWA front-load washer. Looking for a top-notch washer-dryer combo? LG's sleek front-loading pair might be just what you need. These machines feature advanced technology to minimize wrinkles and odors, plus they're Wi-Fi enabled for easy control via an app. Though sold separately, you can find the dryer at Home Depot, Best Buy, or AJ Madison. We tested this set and were impressed with its efficiency, cleaning in half the time of other models. They're also surprisingly quiet and straightforward to set up. Both machines have a pleasant chime when cycles end and come in black or white. Some downsides include a bit of bending to load them and potential over-drying in the dryer, which can cause shrinking. Overall, their performance and features make them a great choice. Number 2. LG WT7900 HWA washer and LG DLE X7900WE dryer. With capacities of 5.5 and 7.3 cubic feet, this washer and dryer set offers substantial space for large loads without compromising quality. The diverse cycle and wash options are both effective and versatile. We were particularly impressed with the smart pairing feature, which syncs the washer and dryer for optimal performance with each load. The dryer's turbo steam setting is a standout, using steam to refresh clothes between washes. Both machines are ENERGY STAR certified and Wi-Fi enabled, letting you start and monitor cycles remotely. However, the washer's size can make reaching the bottom a bit challenging, and the dryer may occasionally leave clothes wrinkled, though using the air dry setting can help. Number 3. LG WM4200 HWA washer and DLGX4201W dryer. Washers and dryers can be noisy, but LG's set is a notable exception. During our tests, we were impressed by how quietly these units operate, even with larger loads. A standout feature is the Wi-Fi connectivity and app control, allowing you to start and monitor cycles remotely. The washer includes a power clean setting with 5 jets for a deep clean and an allergen cycle to handle dust and pet dander. The dryer chimes a musical tone when a cycle ends and can tumble dry clothes for up to 3 hours to prevent wrinkles if you forget to unload them. Plus, the reversible door is a great space saver for smaller homes or apartments. While these machines aren't the largest and might not suit those with hefty laundry needs, their compact size and impressive features make them a solid choice. So, which LG washer and dryer combo is the best? After careful consideration, the LG WT7900 HWA washer and LG DLEX 7900WE dryer duo takes the top spot. Their combination of advanced features, durability, and energy efficiency makes them an excellent choice for most households.